Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. Consumption of processed and junk food can lead to aging at the cellular level, new study suggests. A new study has found a link between the consumption of ultra-processed foods and the shortening of the telomeres. Telomere is a cycle within cell cycle. Telomeres are cell sections of chromosomes that can be used as a marker of biological age. The study revealed that the telomeres were twice as likely to be short in individuals who had a high consumption of unprocessed food. High consumption of UPFs happens when a person eats more than. Short telomeres are a marker of biological aging at the cellular level. The study suggests that diet may be causing the cells to age faster. Telomeres are structures formed from the strands of DNA together with specialized proteins. Telomeres are located at the ends of the chromosomes. Each human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes that contain our genetic code. While the telomeres do not contain genetic information themselves, they are vital for preserving the stability and integrity of chromosomes, and therefore they are important for the DNA that our body relies on to function. As we get older, our telomeres get shorter. Because each time a cell divides, part of telomere is lost. Therefore, scientists use telomere length as marker of biological age. Fresh food consumption is decreasing worldwide, while ultra-processed food intake is rising. Ultra-processed foods are industrial formulations of food-derived substances, such as oils, fat, sugar, starch, and protein isolates. These contain little or no whole food and often include flavorings and cosmetic additives. These properties also result in them being nutritionally poor or unbalanced diets and liable to be lower consumed at the expense of more nutritious alternatives. Research has associated ultra-processed foods with serious diseases like hypertension, obesity, metabolic syndrome disorder, depression, type 2 diabetes, and cancers. These conditions are often age-related and are linked to cellular aging. Researchers wanted to discover the link between ultra-processed foods consumption and the risk of telomere length within an elderly study population. The team found that ultra-processed food consumption increased the likelihood of having shortened telomeres. The researchers also found that ultra-processed food intake was linked to the risk of depression as well. Hypertension, overweight, and all cause mortality. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well. Thank you.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.